Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit.
Oh, and a real medal this.
Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. And all things good and wonderful amongst us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe on my correct good platform. You know, see it. And press the like button as well. You know, sure say you like it. See? Now, you see, well, and I observe a little thing in the media the other day when I see the Prime Minister Andrew Holness posed with a picture. A Bustamante. The new statue of Bustamante. You see, I never see nothing more distorting. What? A old man can't be hero. A man with him all flimsy body can't be hero. Or was he not a hero in the first place? So we have to create this illusion regarding the imagery. No, they have authority as a Rasta man for ridicule that crap. You know, see it? This look like a some man love affair business that go on here. Cause when you can improve the image of a woman in your imagination, for she make she look like, you know, the perfect, perfection according to your desires. You know, see, it look hard when you say a man improve the image of a man. So vast, far from what reality was. That's, I wonder where a man think, where a man imagine himself, Rasta. Because at the end of the day, there is no existing picture of this guy, Alexander Bustamante, where him ever look young. Every picture where we know of that guy, him head white and him all and flabby. You know, see, tired and wicked and worthless. Where over time we know him the depend and there try to clean up as much damage, as much sin and crosses when he could have carry with him. Now we are talking about an old dirty guy where order the extermination of all Rasta. You know, see it? Yeah, and he was actively on the ground as well as witnessed by many elders. Active on the ground. You know them atrocity. So we don't know how much him personally put him on pan and get rid of. You know, see it? And this is no mystery. Because at the end of the day, the Prime Minister apologized for it. This same Prime Minister, we are posed with this devil. The image of a devil, where I put muscle pan and six-pack pan. I saw him want a guy look desirable. Is it all about physicality? What kind of why kind of iconography that to now portray our people like say, we youth them we are come. Supposed to come see this guy as some big strong guy who really didn't have the position or in the physical shape to push a crowd of black people and put himself on the front line and bust him shirt front open. But shoot me and leave my people alone. Never see another level of fallacy. Not the fact that the man white, Rasta. Because you have some white people who know how we do that. No problem. Hands down. And get gunshot and two and get up and do it again. Yes. Yeah, you have white people and a be black people we are talking about. They must stand up for. There is no doubt in my mind regarding that. So this is not about race. This is about the psychology at the moment. You know, see, there was no black soldier in Jamaica who would have raised him hand to a man of such high color, high complexion. No black soldier whatsoever. that man could have stand up there until the next day come, Rasta. Not even point, they would have point the gun them in a free direction. And I'm not asking this. You know, see, this is facts. Yes, he might get arrested a few times, but again, you know, the circumstance never mean he was brought to any arm or put in arms way in any at all, Rasta. This guy was one of the preps, from one of the upper echelon. This guy is Norman Manley's first cousin. The two of them share the same grandmother. You know, see, he was a member of the People's National Party. And it look like somewhere along the line, them decide to say, you know, it better we have two parties. Because at the end of the day, you know, whenever them organize and orchestrate this political landscape, you know, them did still under the guys of the British Commission, like the commissioner them, the commissioners of the Crown, them did still a monitor what them guys claims that them do as leaders. So during the time when them said them a lead, them was basically just some frontman. They never have much power over, you know, nothing. Them was just a picture. And them pictures still represent colonialism. And it's undeniable. You're white, your color high, you represent colonialism. You was part of the, you have to come from that hue to look that way. And obviously that agenda is gonna be generous or more gentle with you. And you see it. We know we have it in our history right across the world. If you're black, stay back. If you're white, you're alright. You know, see it. So these guys never have no problem with the regular struggles that affect Jamaicans, regular Jamaicans, the greater part of the populace. People like them are right through them lifestyle, them live according to what the Western social norm would have be. Anywhere in the world, them there, whether east, west, north, or south, them can live and sustain the Western culture, or not even the culture, but social you know, demands. Yeah. Because everywhere in the world facilitate the social demand. Be it in a gated community, a particular city or village or whatever. Yeah. Because if you got Saudi Arabia, you still can get alcohol for buy in a hotel or wherever and drink and get drunk. Qatar, all of them Muslim countries, them wicked and lie and terrible is a sin. I see some of them when them go up on vacation at Las Vegas, you know, them suit and tie and Western clothes. Nobody they know say, are they such a guy that, you know, see? Yes, Rasta. See our Prime Minister step out with this big, fake, phony imagery, you know, a broadcast in front of we youth them, towards we youth them. Like say, this guy was a young white Jamaican, a light-skinned Jamaican who could have done anything with him life, but him choose to come fight for poor people. Them guys come when they all and swivel up at the end of them breath, Rasta. Few days after him becomes Prime Minister, Premier, not even Prime Minister, I doubt him ever get the title of Prime Minister. Because you have different title them time for them. As far as we're concerned, Norman Manley was the premier, was a premier up until a point. I'm never sure if him did become Prime Minister if the name did change to Prime Minister. You know, see? Yeah, all man when them money are coming out of public presence, coming out of the limelight and things, they were all part of a plan, an orchestrated plan. And that black Jamaican Prime Minister now we made big like Wharf Dog that they oppose. Any picture, if any statue you do it according to the demands where your boss them put on you. But what kind of young boy statue you put in a commission, like say, did a chat, a statue should be like a true and fair reflection of the person where we are dealing with. None of we don't know this guy when him have no black hair upon him head rasta. A big grey hair. Him never do nothing for Jamaica as a young, strong, fit man. You see, I don't St. William Grants Park, him they go stand up behind the Rastaman them when them down there, a chant freedom back to Africa. And know and see the crowd where the unelected official a draw and see the crowd where the the masses really see the cause and the claim. The cause are the true needs of the masses, because them couldn't address it from where them there. Them far removed from where regular Jamaicans are go through. Him admits that that's why him go stand up and know what to say and learn what to say and how to reach and get to the Jamaican crowd. Yeah, on me. Yeah, you're going to learn at some point, but what it is like to live in a country where one side I live a certain way and you exist in there and you don't know, you can't relate to it whatsoever. You can't even articulate it. Yet, today is being revered as a young national hero. A he that all our Prime Minister take himself for. Puppy that, puppy show that, clown. Clown is in that, in its entirety. You see? Yeah, clownism that, Rasta. We don't respect that. We don't appreciate love that. You know, the simple fact so well, in a day you look on Rasta and after a certain level of apologies and fake compassion and understanding regarding what happened to them. It's because you can't hide it no more. You see? So you have to try fake shame. Like on a shame on the action. No, not really shame. You see, because before Rasta can see the benefits of any compensation, any compensatory benefit of so-called apologies. They are not going to portray this guy like saying this big champion for Jamaica and black people. It's time now, you know. It's time now, black people make you know so them little idiot claims I want to use and I call some boy hero. While we have black people living and dead, we do far more than them thing that them boy they do. You know, see, watch that one here. Watch that one here for a bit. I will get back to it.
Decent start for Ashley Nelson. Don't forget Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price on the last leg. It's pretty even, you've got to say. Brazil and Australia started quickly. Let's look for the first handover. All pretty good, looks safe. A very good handover for Great Britain, moving past Jamaica. So, now, we got Bianca Williams taking over from Nancy Coe. Bianca Williams has got the baton and China giving chase here, but it's Great Britain performing superbly well. Jamaica trying to come back into it. Daryl Nita's going to have Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price chasing her. China not too far away. But can Britain hold on? Look at Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price like a steam train, express train, gets it on the line. 42-29. Well, the time will be irrelevant for the Jamaican select. She looks as though she's just been for a stroll in the park. But, my goodness me, that was incredible from Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price. A good performance from Great Britain, to be fair, 42-30. Colin.
Yo, I told you, you can't touch this. Why you standing there?
Would I like no? Quickly would I like no? What kind of statue we are gonna make about she? It's like a little girl statue we are gonna make about she when a time for make statue for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price. You know see? Cause me sure she do more for Jamaica than that guy there. And we're gonna come to realize that the more that the people will change, have to. And them are go more accepting and appreciating of themselves and them culture and what them is about. You know see it now them original farm, stop this bleaching. You know see it? And them people are people where create legacy where I go ensure so them people return to self-love. Cause this physicality always are gonna be present and it always are gonna be like we have not more, there is no greater evidence of human ability. You know see it? No greater demonstration. And them youth, they obviously are gonna love them type of thing and more because now weaken them structurally and are creating a GM food, GM crop right now. We can't even plant but the seed them where we get out of the fake fruit them we wanna sell. It's an abomination. So even the fruit them where we eat, it's an abomination, Rasta. You know see it? And we not kill out the natural plant, the natural way of farming. So we cannot make no projection upon the longevity and the physicality or any form of benefits from them things because it has never been tested before by any generation for any length of time. Okay, I see the weakness of be a complaint, you complain about lack of pregnancy. Yeah, birth rate a drop and things like that. And we now visit them things. You don't need visiting them things anyway. We know these things contribute to those things. You know, see? So the strong possibilities of the youth in the future might not benefit get the benefit of the experience in somebody like Shelly and Fraser Price. And them are going to demand knowing the truth and the reality, knowing so well then it possibly be, impossible in a for them time. So them all with might want to show a level of reverence, demand a level of reverence and appreciation for ones like them. Yeah. What kind of statue now plan for make for Shelly and Fraser Price when she reach when the youth them a demand hero-dom or heroism for a lady like this? Cause if we not put 6-pack on an old guy, we don't know what we want to do. And then I guess a black woman, this one going to put her in a nunnery clothes, a long gown, and make a all statue of her. You know, see it? Make a statue where unattractive or look, we represent weakness or feeble, you know? Because look how strong you make that feeble boy then like a old murderer there. Eh? Look how I present him like him as some mighty champion of the people. Eh? With the Rasta kind of complicated hypocrisy, this Rasta. The Rasta being one of the most, advertised figure regarding Jamaica. Most iconic figures regarding Jamaica. Nobody don't know them boy like how them know Rasta. I don't know what them boy do to Rasta and their son and I emulate them like that now. We not create no one shame and destruction car. People are come to the knowledge of what go on. You say if they've not idea to no compensate Rasta the other day for the atrocities them where the guy perpetrate pan Rasta. Yet here we know I dress him up, I wash him off and I dress him up like young boy. Hypocrisy knows no bounds. And people are calling out for what is Rasta. And when full time come, a bun people with a bun full picture for them same stupidity. Height of stupidity because people now can show no appreciation. Even for the people who vote on in a power when they not make decisions and choices like these. So even the generation where you govern Rasta is gonna be looked down at as some, like some special needs generation, like it was a generation of special needs people, Rasta. You see, it's unacceptable and it's not a laughing matter. It's a laughing matter. It must be a joke to you, Prime Minister, because this is, to I and I. It means death. If them guy did physically strong like that, when him encounter Rastafari, there is no telling what I and I would have dead today, Rasta. See, can't see them guy look plump and proper and strong like say, this is the character, the physiques where step forward for I and I representation. No! It's an old, dying, withered out, frail, useless bigot. Yeah. And that's same for be portrayed. As long as you're not portrayed, you're not come and go on like you don't want to come big up some boy and insult we. Our face in a bad way up and deal with the wickedness way and then I rub it in our face and all like so we are idiot. I want to tell Prime Minister, a man you love. Go with your man love. You make a big muscle 6-pack picture, a whole tired Bustamante. I say you want your boyfriend look.